So today I want to show to you how to use your Google Keep app to create a review guide for EOG Review. So if you find your Google Keep app, has a little light bulb. You may have to get it from your catalog, but when I open up my Google Keep app, I've already got some notes created based on things that we've done. You might have to take pictures of your post-it notes or draw them new if you want to as well. Remember, all the words that we have used this year are either on the current word wall or on the back wall in our retirement village. So I'm going to click on each note quickly and kind of show to you what each of mine have, and obviously you can create many more words, things that you think are important to remember as you study. So our first unit was rational numbers. So here's the things that I have in there right now: absolute value, additive inverse, multiplying, dividing integers, reciprocal, rational number, and common denominator. In expressions and equations, I just have one note right now, which is constant and coefficient, and CLT, which remember stands for combining like terms. Remember, you can add notes at any time. So if you click on the little plus symbol, you can take another photo, choose an image, drawing, recording, check boxes. So I might want to do a quick little drawing and say what CLT stands for, since remember that's going to be an important abbreviation for 8th grade as well. So it stands for combining like terms. And then click the back arrow and it will save it for you in that same note. All right, my other notes I have are proportions, which have quite a bit because that has percents with it. Then I have one for probability, where I show the probability of picking a green marble and then a red marble by multiplying. I have some geometry, angle relationships, and triangles. And then I also have some statistics. So I'm going to also add something for that one as well. So we also need to remember the mean, which is where we add and divide. And then median, sometimes we get those mixed up, is the middle number after we put them in order from least to greatest. And we could even create an example of that, or take a picture of something that would create an example. So I hope this helps you a little bit with understanding how to use your Google Keep app for review.